Hello everyone, welcome to Siemens Electrification and Automation Global Customer Service Center. In this tutorial video, I would like to show you how to modify the CT-PT ratio of the SIPROTEC 5. Modifying certain settings will cause the device to restart. This video takes modifying CT and PT ratios as an example. Firstly, introduce how to modify CT transformation ratio. Press the menu key, select Settings, and right-click. Then select Power System and right-click. Select MIAS.point i3PH1 and right-click, then choose CT Phases and right-click. Select Rated Primary Current and press the Change key. Enter Confirm ID 222222 and press Enter key. For security reasons, Siemens recommends that you change your ID. Prompt, confirm forces, device restart, and press OK key. Change the rated primary current to 1200A and press Enter key. Select rated, secondary current and press Change key. Prompt, confirm forces, device, restart, and press OK key. According to the actual situation on site, choose 1, A or 5A, and press OK key. Now, introduce how to modify PT transformation ratio. Left-click to return to the upper menu. Select MIAS.point v3PH1 and right-click. Choose General and right-click, Prompt, confirm forces, device restart, and press OK key. Change the rated primary voltage to 500V and press Enter key. The modification method for the rated secondary voltage is similar. Left-click to return to the settings interface, prompt confirm or discard, select confirm and press OK key. Prompt being restarting, wait for the device to complete the restart. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to scan the QR code and subscribe to our channel. More interesting information is waiting for you.